In the last lesson, we took a look at the admin section of the component, which is here. In this lesson, I want to go over the front end functionalities and how it all ties in. So when someone gets here, on the help page, or you can rename that to whatever you want it to be, they can be able to search for something. They can or ask a question. Now, in order for them to ask a question, they have to log in first or create an account. So when you click on or ask a question, it's going to take them to the login page, the registration page. And let's go back here. Or if they're already members, they can just click on this lock here and put in their details and log in. Okay, once they're logged in, you notice that a couple additional items, are revealed. So one of the first things is the conversation. Whenever there's a conversation, they're going to get a message here, just like you do on Facebook or LinkedIn. And this here is notifications for anything that, has been sent to someone. And then once you click on this drop down here they can be able to manage their profile. They can take a look at their profile, they can edit it, they can change their favorites, they can change their subscription, and then they can be able to see the badges that they have. So let's take a look at my profile. Okay, so here's the basic profile, and this profile shows that this particular user is the super user, which is the default user for the account holder, the main account holder, or the owner of the site. So there are no posts yet. And it gives you a little bit when they were registered, and it shows you the last time that they were, they were on the site. And right here on the corner, it shows you the number of points that they had. And remember in the last lesson, I talked about point system. So every time that someone generates a certain number of points for certain activities that they do, that point is going to show up here. And you can view your point history. And you can see questions, you can see different tags. Now the admin is always going to see a little bit more detail than the generic user or, members. So if you want to edit your profile, you want to add an avatar, you just click edit my profile. Okay, so once you click here, you see that you can be able to choose a picture for your main profile. So I'm going to choose something. Once you've chosen the picture, you click save. All right, that's the picture that I added there, and you can choose to, if you want to crop it. So let's go ahead and just crop it. And as you move here, if you notice, you can, let me scroll down so you can see. As I move this, watch the bottom part. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at that. And then update. All right, so now the picture's updating, and there I am. And then you can go to biography. So I'm going to change the full name from super user to, and then also change the nickname. And in this section, you can be able to put in something about yourself. And then this is signature. So every time that you send an email to someone, they're going to see this at the bottom. Okay, save. And you can take a look at your social profiles, or you can just do everything and then click save. I just click save just because. But you can be able to put your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and you can check here if you want this to show up on your profile. So this is just going to autofill. And I'm going to check, yes, I want these to show up on my profile. And then you go to account. You don't have to worry about anything there. You can share your location if you want to. The profile URL. This is going to be your specific link here that's connected to your account, and then site details. You can put in the site URL and all. You don't worry about this stuff here for now. And then once I'm done, just click save. Okay, so now when I click on the home icon, it brings you back to this section. So when you put your mouse over here, and by the way, that's the little picture that I have up here, you know, in this little circle right there. When you put your mouse in the category or you click on it, it shows you all the categories that have been created on the back end. You can create more categories, and when you click on the tag shows you all the tags that are currently on the site. And I would encourage you to use tags in your post because it helps people to be able to tag that specific topic. And then you can click on the members to see all the members of your site. Of course, as you add more members, this is going to fill up, and it gives you a little bit more, you know, detail, how many badges they have, their conversations, their replies, their questions. And let's take a look at the badges here. Okay, this is what the members are going to see. They'll see here, you know, the badges and who have whatever, you know, badge. So far right now, there are no badges that have been assigned to anyone because you have to perform certain tasks or do some things in order to get these badges. And it's outlined here, you know, voted 100 replies, you get a motivator, accept 50 replies as answers, and you get help in one. And as I said before, you can change the name of these. You don't have to keep these. This is just default settings for them. But you can change the names and change the value that you want to associate with these. And this is really great because it allows, as I mentioned before, it allows for people to really want to, you know, want to get involved. So now what I'm going to do now is let's just go ahead and just delete this default post here. So to do that, you just click on it, and where it says delete, you click delete, and you click yes. Click on this one, do the same thing. So that's how you delete discussions. So right now there are no discussions. You know, you can be able to add new things, or people can be able to post something, and it gives you here with this tabs: assigned post, unresolved, resolved, unanswered, popular, or latest. So these are just some of the functionalities that are on the front end, and there's so many things, you know, that you can do with this. It is really flexible. I use this for my sites and my client sites whenever I'm creating a form for them, because the functionalities here is just really amazing.